Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best garden tool bucket organizer is probably one of the most sought-after gardening accessories for keeping your tools neatly arranged and readily available, saving you valuable time and effort searching for the right tool during your gardening sessions. This video will help you choose the perfect organizer to streamline your gardening workflow and enhance your overall gardening experience. Number 5. Bucket Boss Bucketeer. This innovative tool organizer is designed to keep your tools readily accessible and neatly stored. It's the perfect solution for any job site or workshop. It features 3 convenient interior loops, perfectly sized for hammers, drills, pry bars, and other long-handled tools. Keep your essentials organized and within easy reach. This versatile organizer is designed to fit most standard 5-gallon buckets. It's a simple yet effective way to transform your bucket into a mobile tool station. It's built with high-quality materials to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. You can depend on it to withstand the rigors of daily use. See how easily it keeps your tools organized and your work area clutter-free. It's the ultimate solution for efficient tool management. Order your Bucketeer today and experience the difference. It's the smart way to organize and carry your tools. What we like? It fits snugly in most 5-gallon buckets, keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. Its 3 interior loops are perfect for long-handled tools, preventing them from shifting around. If you value durability in a well-made product, this is the organizer for you. What people say? It's all readily accessible in pockets and the entire thing is always good to go. Really, it's just convenience. It's much easier to grab a tool out of a pocket or the main bucket part than it is to open up and dig through a toolbox. Ton of pockets. It can hold all my essentials like pliers, screwdrivers, saws, hammers, even a drill, extra battery and charger plus bits, 8 pockets for pens, pencils or larger drill bits and all kinds of other stuff. Just in the pockets. Total number of pockets inside and out is 25 by my count. The material is heavy duty and provides ample storage for my tools. Now my tools each have their own place. No more fumbling or spilling of liquid. The starter is visible and easily accessible. It is safer now that everything has a place. Number 4. Garden Boss Bucket Organizer. Tired of digging through your gardening supplies? This handy organizer makes finding your tools a breeze. It's the perfect solution for keeping everything neat and tidy. Made from tough 600D poly ripstop fabric, it's built to last through seasons of gardening. It's designed to withstand daily wear and tear. It fits most standard 5-gallon buckets, providing a convenient and portable way to organize your tools. Simply attach it and you're ready to go. With long pockets for your trowels and spades, plus a special clip for your gloves, it keeps everything in its place. You'll never lose a tool again. 3 speed pockets offer additional storage for smaller items, keeping your essentials readily accessible. It's the ultimate in garden organization. Stop searching and start gardening. Order your Garden Boss Bucket Organizer now and experience the difference. What we like? Made from durable 600D poly ripstop fabric, it's built to last. The long pockets are ideal for trowels and spades, keeping them secure and easy to grab. If you need a tough and practical organizer for your gardening tools, this is a great choice. Number 3. MELOTOUGH Bucket Organizer. This innovative organizer transforms your ordinary bucket into a convenient tool carrier. It's perfect for gardeners and DIY enthusiasts who need to transport their tools easily. Designed to fit standard-sized buckets, it ensures a secure and snug fit for your tools. No more fumbling around for what you need. With multiple pockets inside and out, it offers ample space for all your essentials. Keep your gloves, tape, and small tools neatly organized. Made from heavy-duty, water-resistant polyester, it's built to last. It can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Simply attach it to your bucket and you're ready to go. Carry your tools effortlessly and efficiently. Turn any bucket into a customized tool tote. It's ideal for storing and transporting hand and power tools. What we like? This heavy-duty organizer is made from water-resistant 600D fabric. Its numerous pockets provide ample space for all your gardening essentials. If you need a versatile and durable organizer that can handle various bucket sizes, this one's for you. What people say? All of my garden diggers, grabbers, weeders, snippers, scissors, and more have individual places in which to dwell. This fits perfectly on 5-gallon bucket. Lots of compartments and a padded handle cover. This garden tool holder is super sturdy and durable. So many pockets that I came up with other things to add to it, like fishing line to stake up flowers, blank plant identifier stakes and marker, extra pair of readers for when I go out and forget them, and other items. Number 2. Gardening Tool Bucket Bag. This innovative bag is designed to make gardening easier and more organized. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use. Made from high-quality 600D and 210D Oxford cloth, it's tear-resistant, waterproof, and built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy bags. With 42 pockets, it keeps all your tools neatly organized and easily accessible. You'll never have to search for that missing trowel again. It can hold a water bucket inside, transforming into a self-standing organizer. This makes gardening even more convenient. The bag is lightweight yet spacious, holding all your essentials. Its comfortable handle prevents strain, even when fully loaded. It's the ideal present for any gardening enthusiast. Show your loved ones how much you care with this practical and thoughtful gift. What we like. With 42 pockets, this organizer offers unparalleled storage capacity. Made from durable, water-resistant Oxford cloth, it's built to withstand the elements. If you have a large collection of tools and need maximum storage, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Buy your own bucket and it fits great. Tons of tools. If you think you don't have space for this, let me tell you, it creates space. Everything is in one place, nice and neat and handy. I can move about the yard doing various tasks with all my tools with me. Number 1. Green Gardening 5-Gallon Tool Organizer. Say goodbye to tangled tools and hello to effortless organization. This innovative organizer makes gardening a breeze. It's designed to fit perfectly into standard 5-gallon buckets, maximizing your space and keeping everything within easy reach. With its numerous pockets, you can keep all your tools neatly separated and easily accessible. No more digging around for that missing trowel. Made from high-quality, waterproof Oxford cloth, it's built to withstand the elements and keep your tools protected. Its lightweight design and comfortable handle make it easy to transport around your garden. Enjoy gardening without the extra strain. The padded handle provides comfortable carrying, and it can be hung on the bucket to free up space inside. What we like. This organizer boasts a multi-pocket design for efficient tool storage and is made from high-quality, durable Oxford cloth. The added handle makes it easy to carry around. If you prioritize convenience and organization, this is the ideal choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.